Alright guys, just a real quick video today. We're going to show you how to operate the LCD display and go into the settings of our all new Lil Rippa electric bike for kids. So come on down, we'll take a look. First thing you need to do is power it on. So we've got our power button here. Press and hold. AS12 will come up. Continue to hold until you get into the bike. Now for your most basic things, you've got a plus and a minus button. These will take you up and down through 3 levels of gear or motor power. Also displays your current speed, battery level, trip meter. By pressing this power button, single click, we'll also cycle through some other things like a trip meter and time. Press and hold the plus button. That will turn your headlight on. Press and hold again to turn that one off. By pressing and holding the minus button, we'll activate walk mode. That's where the bike will start to accelerate up to about 5 kilometers an hour. Now to access our settings, I'm going to press the plus and minus buttons together. But before we go into the settings, to know what these are, please refer to the list that is in your manual. Now, none of these need to be changed. All we are going to focus on today is showing you how to access and set your own speed limit on the bike. So to access this menu, press and hold plus and minus together, and then it brings us into the menu. I'm going to cycle through all of these different P settings, so P06, P07. These are the ones that you do not need to change. Up until we reach odometer, I press and hold plus and power together, and then I enter the pin number of 2, 1, 4. That then brings us into here. P19 is where your speed limit is. Now by default, from factory, it's set at 15%. This is a percentage of the overall motor output. So if you want to limit it not to the full extent, you could set it at say 35. It won't do the full unlocked. But if you want to harness the full power of the bike, just keep clicking until you reach 100. To represent 100% of the motor's ability. And then that is the bike completely unlocked. All we do to exit then is just press that power button one more time and then press and hold these to exit. Alright, so that shows you how to operate the LCD display as well as set your own speed restriction setting on our brand new Lil Rippa electric bike for kids.